Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality pro video for mainboard for LG 60PA6500-UG that was sent to us for repair through eBay with a complaint TV not coming on, possible lightning strike. The board was indeed bad and it was serviced, and this is us testing it in a live set. And this is how it looks. All HDMI ports have been tested. They're usually a source of trouble, but the board wasn't starting at all. Our customer was right, and it is now, so hopefully this will put them to rest. We will be sending the board back. It will probably go Monday, but it's possible it may go today, Saturday. Thanks.